guys, today we are going to cook sauce, Georgian sauce, we say like this. And let's prepare the meat. This is nice little cut, and let's cut in little pieces and start cooking. So we cut little pieces and a little water. Fire is on. Let's cook and boil approximately 1 hour. After we add vegetables, potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and in the end garlic and parsley, and it will be ready. It's most easiest dish and taste dish. So guys, this is boiling. Don't forget to take out this part from starting boiling. And here is the vegetables, all vegetables what we need. After boiling we have to add the onions, then potatoes, and now we have to prepare the pasta from these fresh potatoes, and in the end parsley and onions and salt. So let's wash our tomatoes, and we are going to make this kind of cuts here, like a cross. And after this we are going to put in boiling water for about 30 seconds, and it will be easy to take out the skin, remove skin after crossing and putting in boiling water. So this is a technique I told you about, removing the skin. So it needs several seconds, and you can remove skin and cut tomatoes. So I just chopped this without skin tomatoes, and I'm going to add a little pasta as well. It's very little, 1 spoon, very comfortable packet. Okay, this still boiling. It's less than 1 hour, so I will wait about 15 minutes and start to put onions, potatoes, and I will show you. Let's boil it for 5-10 minutes, and after add the potato. So let's put potatoes inside. Several. Let's see how much it will be enough. I'm checking for you. We can add some more. Okay. We have already chopped. Now we are putting tomatoes here. After several minutes we add herbs, onion, garlic, and salt, and that is tomato. Now we are doing for this full this salt. This is our stew. It's ready. Actually, we have to add herbs, and let's do a little garlic. Okay. Let's put a garlic. And the herbs. Stir, and it's ready.